guys, today is Tuesday. It's Tasty Tuesday, and I'm going to share a new recipe with you. I'm going to share a recipe that I made over the weekend. It was Nashville hot chicken. It was supposed to be for the air fryer. Supposed to be is the key word there. I'm going to link the original recipe down below. I will also kind of list out maybe some of the changes that I did. And at the end, I will recap what my family thought. Right now, I'm going to show you the steps. Enjoy the music. If you just want to know how the recipe was, then you can skip forward to the next time you see this face.
Looking for a reason, driven by the heart, fighting for a season, with sadness fall apart. Tell me not to worry, tell me to be strong, be my true reminder of where my love belongs. We'll be cutting edge, make a brand new sketch, fire in the heart, flipping hearts around. We'll be changing all that's wrong, and baby hold on, bring it on. We'll be running the show, bring it on, take it all as we go, bring it on, let's go, bring it on, let's roll the dice, bring it on tonight. Let me take you higher, reaching for the sky, sitting by the fire. Here we are at last. We'll be cutting edge, make a brand new sketch, fire in the heart, flipping hearts around. We'll be changing all that's wrong, and baby hold on, bring it on. We'll be running the show, bring it on, take it all as we go, bring it on, let's go, bring it on, let's roll the dice, bring it on tonight. Bring it on, bring it on. Bring it on tonight. Bring it on, bring it on. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. We'll be running the show. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. We'll be running the show. Bring it on, take it all as we go. Bring it on, let's go. Bring it on, let's roll the dice. Bring it on tonight. Bring it on, bring it on. Bring it on, bring it on. Misty blue sky, take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose after years with the blues. Oh, you know angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello. Come on over here, lower them stairs. I've got all the tools after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello. To indigo, to say hello. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and harps made out of golden strings. I give anything. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello. To say hello.
The first time I had Nashville hot chicken was from KFC. Shelby, she is whiny and talky today. I don't know. She seems anxious. I don't know what her deal is. Maybe she's feeling the weather that's coming in today. I don't know. I don't know where your ball is. You have to look for it. Is that what it is? You can't find your ball? Go look in the dining room. That has been the whole problem this morning because she was thrown out of routine and I found one. Oh, I thought it went in her water bowl. Anyway, first time I had the Nashville hot chicken was from KFC, probably about 1.5 years ago, and it was delicious. Loved it. I love anything with a kick, and that chicken with the pickles is just amazing. Hold on a second. So I wanted to make it at home. Been wanting to make it at home. And then I thought, well, let me try it in the air fryer. That way I'm not frying it and maybe it'll come out delicious. No. I'm sure it was the coating, flour. I don't like the way that it was cooking in the air fryer, as you saw. So, pulled out my electric skillet, heated up some oil, and started to cook it in just regular fried chicken. Perfect. That fixed that problem. The sauce, that was too much oil, and I reduced it by 1/4 cup from the original recipe. I would almost reduce it to 1/4 cup. It was way too much oil. It was hard to incorporate everything, I'm sure, because there was so much oil. Now, it was delicious. It was delicious on the chicken. But it was just very difficult to actually apply on the chicken. I kind of had to use the whisk and just dab it on, and then as it warmed up the sauce, then I was able to spread it on the chicken, but whatever. It was labor intensive, which is fine for a Sunday dinner. That's when we had it. I don't mind spending time in my kitchen on Sundays. I know you. Here, let me have it. Give me your ball if you want me to throw it. I don't mind on Sundays spending time in my kitchen for my family. That's one of my pleasures and my joys of being a homemaker, is I like to do those things. I'm an old southern, old-fashioned mama. But I don't like recipes that disappointed, and this recipe did. I was not happy that this flour and the egg mixtures were not supposed to be seasoned. As you saw, I seasoned them anyway. I've been raised and taught that you season through the whole process. You don't wait to the end to season things. It's very bland. I don't like bland food. I don't like serving bland food. So the recipe was, it got, the family was okay with it. But when they say, well, it's okay, I'm not wasting my time again. Maybe try another one. Maybe, but it'll be a while before I do. Usually when I try a new recipe and it bombs, and if I even just say the name of that recipe, like Nashville hot chicken, they're going to be like, no thanks. Can we have something else, please? So I heed their desires as well. So that recipe was a flop, and I debated whether even showing it to you, but I thought, you know what? I try to keep things here as authentic as possible. Not every recipe you find is going to turn out. This one for us did not. You may like it. Again, you may have more success with your air fryer than I did. I think if it was coated maybe in panko crumbs or even breadcrumbs, it would have been fine. Just that flour, I don't know, it just doesn't cook the same if it's not cooked in oil. So there you go. That's my spill on it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and the video anyway. If you didn't, I feel you. It's okay. I will see you tomorrow as I share some of my current writing process. Bye.
Someone like